I mean, one does not realize how big this thing is until you know, actually see it. Look at the size of that thing. This is one big machine. Love it though. Love it. Look at that. What a beast. Well, it survived the trip to Sobering and back. No problem. Well, I mean, not with no problems. Sounds like something went through the carburetor, so now the carb's acting up. I lost a little dust boot somewhere. Other than that, no issues, no nothing. Didn't overheat. Killed some bugs. Just rolled all the way there just fine. So I got to put some stuff together and check to see if I didn't break anything else. Other than it's starting to run rough now for some reason. Yeah, what a good turnout. A lot of cars, a lot of everything. A lot of people. We're all hanging out. Got to meet Luke and Bobo. Got to hang out with Sobering. DD Speed Shop is there. Penny's Hot Rods and Customs. Brent over there at Half-Ass Customs is there. Jeez, there's so many. And the one guy I wanted to meet, but unfortunately I missed him, was Frank's Garage. He was there. He had a nice truck. I like this truck. But yeah, it was a very good turnout. There's a few other YouTubers there too. Yeah, it was a very, very fun, well planned out, well organized event for sure. Oh, and those hamburgers are so good. Well, I was thinking about taking that, but I don't know. It doesn't look as pretty, and it's pretty rough, you know. And I really wanted to take this thing out for a maiden voyage, so it made its maiden voyage. But like I said, I got to go through it now and make sure nothing's broken. Make sure there's no more leaks or anything. I think I'm low on transmission fluid now. Yeah. Yeah, so it was a toss-up between this one or this one. But I'm kind of glad I took this. You know, everybody's seen it on, you know, on the channel and seeing me work on it a few times here and there, but nobody's ever actually saw it, you know. Whereas this thing, people have seen it. It's been around for a very long time. Like what, 20 plus years maybe? So, I mean, people have seen this around. It's like, yeah. And then I was going to take something else because it's more popular on YouTube than either one of these vehicles. Even that one. More popular than any of these vehicles. I was going to take that. Why? Because I got more views playing with that car than I do with any of these others. It's pretty funny, actually. But yeah, whatever. Each into his own. What a great show. Can't wait for the next one. No. No. Where to put it? Oh, I know. Yeah, I think that's a good spot. Or should we go with the black one? Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I like that. The black one it shall be.